Hey, good morning, y'all. So, been getting a lot of fuel leaking on my Evinrude XP 200. It's a 90, I think it's a 94 model, but I got this Titan rebuild kit, Titan performance parts for Johnson and Evinrude. Got 6 of these for all 6 carbs. Never done it before, but today we're gonna attempt to rebuild the carbs, all 6 of them, on this Evinrude V6. Comes in a whole pack. It's got the new float, the needle, seats, gaskets. Hopefully that's the gaskets I need to keep the fuel from leaking. There's a lot of oil, mixed gas residue. Get that sun off my head. So anyway, that's what we're doing. You have 2 bolts on top, 2 bolts in here. You got it for each carb. So you just take those 4 out. I'm taking the last one out now. Here, this will help. Right on the fuel line is a zip strip. You just want to snip that zip strip off. That is not easy to get off. Now we got the carb off. Got a rebuild kit from Titan Performance. Part number 439078. Also, we got some gum out, carb and choke cleaner, parts cleaner, some shop towels, and screwdriver. We're going to start by removing these bolts and taking this bowl off. Open it up. Looking for any kind of crap and debris. Which I really don't see any. What you want to do now is kind of inspect it for stuff. So you see there's some grime right here. It's on the outside of the gasket, but this one doesn't look too bad. So overall it looks pretty good. It don't look too bad. I don't see anything visible. You got the float, you got the needle, that little tiny pin, and all that stuff is, if it needs to be replaced, it's in this little kit. So let's take the side, set this off to the side. This is where all your fuel runs through. Little channels inside here. I know it's raining outside, buddy. That's why I had to come inside. Ooh. I do see some junk down in some of these cracks. What I'm gonna do now is, I'm not gonna do this inside the house. I'm gonna take this carb and choke cleaner. I'm just gonna spray it out, spray out all the tubes, and give it a good spray. All right, spray out complete. Let's see what I was in this beautiful. Let's go to the float here. I got such fat fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Now I got everything sprayed out. Just gonna give it a good wipe down. This old shirt that I don't, it's got stains on it anyway. Don't use a shop towel for this. Those things leave lint. Lint and stuff like that inside your carb. You don't want that. See how it's getting some of that grime off of there? Most of it's coming from the outside, so that's a good thing. Alright. Now, let's go ahead and put this bad boy back together. So we got this one here. It's here. The replacement. This is the new one. Make sure you use the new one. Did it come in a small gasket? Was there a small gasket on there? I guess there isn't. So alright, there's a little metal gasket that comes with it. Seat that down. Till it's to the specs of snug. that to where it's just locked in there. You want this to where it's just even flush with the bottom of the bowl. So when it's open, just hold it flat, straight down. Make sure it's even, flush, and it should freely do its magic. And that's done right there. Let's go ahead and get this. Install it back in. Oh, idiot. Upside down. That's what I get for looking in the other direction. That one seated, move to the opposite side. Snug, and then move to the opposite side. Star pattern. Ah. Here she is. There's that part. This new gasket's on. Put the new gasket on. We got the float seated. It's nice and level. One thing I did forget to do is put that new washer on this.
Gary,
Yeah, buddy.
what was changes for to Florida?
Yeah, they're coming tonight, buddy. Alright, all we simply got to do now is reinstall it. Then you do the rest of them. Hook your fuel line back up, put a zip strip back on it, and you're done. Now multiply that times 6, and you just rebuilt your carbs. I'm not perfect at doing it, but to be honest with you, I'm not a mechanic. This stuff is simple with these types of carbs, these plastic carbs. You're not having to go inside of the motor. You don't have to go and mess with any of the linkages, anything like that. It's just a simple plastic carb bowl that sits on its top. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a blessed day.